Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload your CV on LinkedIn. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, the best way to do this is head on over to linkedin.com and sign into your account. Once you've signed into your account, we want to go ahead and click on your user profile. Then from here under account, click into settings and privacy. This is going to take us to settings inside of LinkedIn. Now from here, we're going to see these different tabs on the left hand side. Click on the tab that says data privacy and now scroll down, and then under job seeking preferences, it's going to say job application settings. Go ahead and click on that little arrow and that's going to open up resumes and application data. Now below that, it will say share resume data with hirers. So hirers can view skills and experiences from the resume you choose to share when they search and view profiles and evaluate applicants through LinkedIn's hiring tools. So to upload your resume or CV, go ahead and click on upload resume and now find that resume. Here it is here that I prepared earlier. And now that's going to download or upload into LinkedIn.